Hello friends, today when I woke up and opened my AirPods, they were not connecting to my phone. I tried charging it but nothing happened, so now I am going to open it and check it. Look at it guys, when I plug the charger, the light is not bright and it is blinking. So now let's start opening. Oh no guys, the ground wire in it is broken. That's why the AirPods didn't charge, so let's fix it quickly. Look at it guys, the black wire is broken, and it is ground wire of AirPods. Now I will solder it. Look guys, I finally soldered it. Now I will check if it is working or not. Look guys, I soldered ground wire as you can see. Wow guys, it is finally charging, so now let's put it back in its cover. See, now AirPods are charging.